If you have upgraded your iPhone to version iOS 18.2.2.1, I hope I'm correct, congratulations. So a lot of person has been complaining how this drains their battery. I actually made a video on that on my channel, so you do well to check out that video. So today is to talk about some of the amazing features that actually come with upgrading your phone to iOS 18.2.1. Apart from the major issue of battery drain, you still have a whole lot of amazing feature, and today I want to walk you right to your notepad. Like, you might not know that your note app has such an amazing AI features that can just help you to write smarter, faster, and creatively, all with just one tap. All right, so let me show you how to unlock this game-changing feature in iOS 18.2. Please, I'm so sorry about my voice. I just woke up and I'm recording this video as of 6:07 in the morning. Please, so sorry about that, because I know that my voice is very deep. Yeah, but let's just head straight to the point. So the first feature I'm going to show you is called integrated calculations. Right, don't get panic, I'm just going to show you that now. So this app supports mathematical calculation within Note. When users type out equations, Note provide instant results. Like, guys, this thing works like magic. So what you need, I have some amazing feature that my phone cannot actually give you that result. But if you are using let's say 14, 15 Pro Max, 16 Pro Max, you can have access to all the amazing feature. But I might list them sharp, or I'll just show you the one that I can actually do with my phone. So you come and click on this icon here. So when you click on this icon, see this place here, you click on that. So let's say you want to say 3 plus 3 equals 2. So when you click on that equals to something like this, we say 3 plus 3, so you now click on this, so it's going to give you an answer automatically, guys. All right, let's just say 4 plus 4 equals 2, and when it comes up, you just click on that. Have you seen it, guys? It's going to give you an instant answer, of which is very amazing, right? So after that being said, another feature that actually comes with this Note app after updating your phone to iOS 18.2 is called live audio transcription, right? So we can actually record audio from the notepad itself. Do you understand? Okay, let's say for instance I'm actually talking, right? So I can just click here to record audio, just click here to record. So whatever you are saying will be recorded, right? And this will be saved into your Note app. It will not be saved into the recording app. Here to record. Can you see this, guy? So it will just be saved into your Note app. That is quite amazing. So the third feature I want to show you in this video is this third feature. I'm not on a call now, but if I was to be on a call, so let's say you're on a call with someone and you want to record the call. So I can't just make call now and I'll be able to access that. It's only when I'm on a call, right? But let's just try out something here. Okay, recent contact. Sorry, guys. So I cannot into your notepad, guys. This picture is quite amazing. So after that being said, another feature is called text highlighting. Sorry, guys. So you come here, you still click here. So when you click here, just type anything you want to type here. All right, so let's just say that the Lord is good. So you can actually color this text. That's what text highlighting is all about, right? You can choose different options for any kind of text you want. So let's say I want to color this one, right? So you click on that. So when you click on that, you come here, see color here, right? You choose orange, like means like you can see you can actually format them. So that is another amazing feature. So another feature is what I call collapsible sections, right? So for better organization, Note introduce collapsible sections, particularly useful for lengthy documents. These sections automatically applies headlines and sub-headings, reducing the need of excessive scrolling, which allows you to format your text to sub-heading when you have a lengthy note on your Note app. So let's just go to my folders. So let me check if I actually have any notes here. Oh God. Okay, yeah, this is a note I have. So with this collapsible section, you can actually format this note to how you want them to be, right? So you can, sorry guys, that's not actually what I want to do. you can come here and format this note to heading. Do you understand? Then you can use this one as your subheading. You come here, you click on subheading, so you can come here and you can use this one as the body, right? And you also have font to choose, guys. So there are a lot of font right here which you can choose. So that is what a collapsible section is actually all about. So we have image one. I can't access that with my phone, but if your iPhone is the latest one, like I said earlier, you can actually make use of this image one. So these two transform sketches made from Apple Pencil or finger into refined illustration. Like if you just use your hand and sketch any drawing, like just click here to open a new tab, then use your hand and sketch. Let me just say I want to sketch something. So when you use your hand and sketch any image, so after sketching that image, so the Apple will actually helps you to make that image to look very, very nice. They are going to refine the image into a very, very nice writing. That's the useful of image one. So we also have AI writing tool. Like you just click on the compose button, it allow, because iPhone actually introduced ChatGPT and Siri into their note app, so you can make use of that feature. Then the last one is what I call image generation. So you can actually add image from the background. You can actually, give it a prompt and it's going to generate the kind of image you want for you. So guys, if you haven't utilized this, do well to check it out and let me know what you think about this in the comment section. With this AI tool, you don't really need to stress yourself about anything, like anything at all. So do well to experiment this and let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Don't forget to like, guys, share, subscribe. Bye guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video.